have you got some annoying oil leaks at the back of your engine? They're 1.6 and 1.8 on the NA MX-5 both have a CAS or cam angle sensor mounted to the back of the head. This is susceptible to an oil leak on the O-ring. Let me show you what I mean. I pulled this one off our NA 1.6 because we had a leak at the back of the head. This thing's fairly easy to remove, just one bolt and a connector and it comes off. You can see here where it normally would live, in the back of the intake cam. On the 1.8s, it's on the exhaust cam, but they serve the same purpose. If we take a closer look, I've pulled the old O-ring off of this CAS, and well, you can see it here. It's absolutely buggered. It's like plastic. I try and pull it apart, and well, it just cracks and bends. It doesn't fold like a rubbery gasket or a rubbery seal. Getting a new one, nice and pliable and bendy. Replacing it, super simple, just roll it on, maybe use a little bit of oil to get things lubed up if you need to, and then reinstallation back on the car is just the same as removal. Super simple job. If you need a CAS O-ring, I stock them in my shop, BEAVISMotorsport.com. Thanks for watching.